Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're going to turn on the Emeril Lagasse French Door air fryer and we're going to make garlic parmesan chicken wings. It's our first time using the air fryer. Stay tuned, see how it turns out. Okay, we're breaking down the wings into drums and flats. Popping that joint and trying to find the joint with our knife and separating that, and doing the same thing with taking the tip off of the flat. Pop it. And these I found pop easier sideways. Breaking down the wings into flats and drums will help them cook more evenly and fit better in the trays of the air fryer. Okay, we're going to pat these dry with a paper towel. Okay, we're going to spritz these with olive oil and then season them. Season them with pepper. Garlic Parmesan seasoning. I'm going to go pretty liberal with that. Garlic powder. A little bit of paprika. A little bit of onion powder. Okay, we're going to flip them over and do the other side. Okay, now we're going to put these on the rack. I'm going to separate the drums from the flats in case the drums have to cook longer, and they probably will. We're going to be cooking these in the Emeril Lagasse French Door 360 air fryer at 400 degrees. This is our first time using the air fryer, so we may have to play with the times. Okay, now we're going to get these on the racks with the others. Okay, so our air fryer has preheated, so we're gonna open this up. We're gonna stick this one in the air fryer slot. We're going to put the basket with the flats right above that. Be careful with these doors, they slant. Okay, we got to reset our timer. So we're going to push the clock button and then we're going to jack that up to 25. Okay, we've reached the halfway point on the timer. We're going to pull these out and turn them right quick. The air fryer automatically beeps to let you know when you're halfway through your cooking time. Okay, we've turned these over. We're going to shut this back up. We're going to check the flats in about 3 minutes and check the temperature, and the drums are going to go a little bit longer. Okay, we're gonna check the flats and see if they're done. The flats have cooked about 15 minutes. Yep, they are done. So we're gonna take those out, close the doors gently, start back and let the drums go longer. Okay, we're gonna get our flats into a bowl. Once they're golden and cooked through, toss your wings in Sweet Baby Ray's Garlic Parmesan sauce. They definitely appear to be crispy. Okay, we've got some Sweet Baby Ray's Garlic Parmesan sauce. We're just gonna drizzle that into the bowl with the flats. Give that a toss. We're looking for a light coating here. We'll add more just before serving. Okay, we've reached the end of our 25-minute timer. Feel like we're probably going to have to let these go a little longer still. $177. I think we'll let them go just a little longer. Dark meat can handle a higher internal temperature without getting tough. Okay, we went another 5 minutes. I'm going to pull this out, check it one more time. I would think it's probably done this time. Please like, comment, and share. Yep, they're done this time. So we went a total of 30 minutes. Cooking these in the air fryer, there's no oil and a lot less mess. Okay, we've got the drums in. We're going to toss them. in the same garlic parmesan sauce. Okay, we're gonna plate some of these up. Gonna get some drumsticks and some flats. Please subscribe to the channel for future air fryer recipes. The wings turned out nice and crispy and golden brown. I'm going to take a little bit more of the garlic parmesan baby rays, sweet baby rays, drizzle over that. This adds one final flavor bomb. Just look at these, crispy, saucy, and loaded with garlic parmesan goodness. Okay, as I said earlier, I normally don't taste test on cameras. I don't know anybody that's going to taste their food and say, oh, it's terrible. But since I've never made this before, I'm going to taste it, and if it's terrible, I'm going to tell you. It's really good. The garlic parmesan seasoning and sauce taste really well. Chicken is done. Air fryer did a good job. There you have it. Chicken wings, air fried in the Emeril Lagasse French Door 360 air fryer. Turned out great. Thanks for tuning in.